We have another property for sale. Welcome to our channel. This is 15,809 square meters. Tax declaration. Dili pa siya titulado. And it is alienable and disposable. So, i-andi ni guys. Then, the price is 450 pesos per square meter. So, di lang kumaingaw negotiable. Upon viewing na lang ang negotiation na guys. Then, along this concrete road, and it has a wide frontage. Wide yun ang frontage. So, mana siya guys. It's located in Barangay Tunga, Baclayon, Bol. So, nindot guys siya. Water, electricity, and signal are available. Kanang signal na to guys, kanang linya ba? It's Wi-Fi. The good thing ani guys kay there are improvements like banana trees and I think there is a coconut tree. Kita na. There's a coconut trees. So okay gyud kini kayo nya, overlooking man sa ni siya guys. So kinsa tong gustong mapaduol sa Tagbilaran, actually this is very close from Tagbilaran City. Just only 10 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City. Doon ra gyud ni siya. Yeah, as you can see, don't worry if it is just only tax declaration. We can help you processing the tax declaration. Pwede ra gyud guys. This is really good for investment. Imagine, usually the price in this location is ranging already at 500 pesos per square meter. So, kita 450 lang. Then, mana siya guys, no? So, very nice. Wide concrete road frontage. So, wide, no? These are the surroundings, no? Mana siya. Mana itong drone video, no? So, very nice. We will process transfer of title. Pwede mo process. Then, if you have properties for sale, just submit it to us. Actually, guys, wala gini balay sulod sa property. No house or nobody is in the property. Wala ni balay. We directly contacted to the owner. So, kuyogin na to ang owner on the time. Nakita na to. So, mo gini siya. Okay. Yeah, from Panglao Airport, it's more or less nalas mga 30 minutes drive or less. So, nag-fogging na guys. Fogging, meaning it's cool. Bugno na, especially at night time. Hapon na masad miniabot dito. So, again, money, no? Nag-winding ang road. The long and winding road. Okay. So, again, the property. Ato lang utrohon. So, actually guys, by the time gani nga na may SM, sugod-sugod na mas develop, if ever gani mo saka pagid siguro ni kung di pa ni mapalit, maabot na nga na SM City Tagbilaran. So, mana guys, mas nindot ning ato ning ma-acquire. Okay ra gyud kayo. Again, our website www.propertyph.net. So kung gusto mo tanaw pag mga additional properties, just type my website or our website www.propertyph.net. Thank you. Bye.